Okay, I got it. Those are the balancers. Never been around one. Do you know what they are? So they are actually, I took the whole kit, so for the front and for the back. And this kit is for balancing, automatically kind of balancing your wheel, okay? So I will be using Lamonster explanation, like how it's very simple mount, okay? But I will be using their videos, what they can do. But basically, here in Europe, we have not very good quality of roads everywhere. So once you are losing that weight that balance your wheel is off, then you start to feel a little bit of the shakiness, usually around, let's say, 100 kilometers an hour, which is like what, like 70 miles to 130. And it's not because of the belt tensioner problem. So this thing will automatically balance your wheels. This is just, I really wanted to get set, and again, one set will go on the beast. All right, last box. Hopefully you're still with me, because we still got the super cool thing coming. So don't forget about that. What we have here. Surprise, surprise! More top cuffs. I told you I have ordered them like crazy. If they will not sell, Twins has at least something to play with. Good. Let me cut this off for you so you can see better what's happening. All right, so these are the RYKER brackets that they go on the floorboard, on the IPS floorboards from Lamonster. You call them brackets. I had to start to call them like extra foot pegs, or I think I call them extra foot peg or footrest. So there are the extra ones for your RYKER. So in case you would like to feel absolutely comfortable, you don't have to ride on like this, but you can put your foot like this, like on the choppers. So I have had a couple of these before, and now I had to restock because there was a demand. So we have them back on stock, and they work with the floorboards, with the black diamond floorboards. Awesome. Love to have them back on stock. Lamonster garage 10 times. Okay. What's in here? Oh, another rider. Good. I knew like I have bought a bunch of these. So great. They're really popular, and of course it's quite obvious because they shine your front of the Spyder very nicely. So it's gonna be plenty for the whole season, I guess. That's a great thing. RYKER mirror mount, great thing. It's the same thing as a Spyder, the top cuff that I have bought like crazy. And these are the same things for RYKERs. And it's basically for your, however, the main purpose is to have the mirrors there. So big eye mirrors or phantom mirrors or sporty mirrors, everything goes on this. So great to have these. And again, you have drilled hole inside, so you can put their GoPro or bottle holder, whatever. So they're very useful. I want more of these. Good. Amber mineral market lights. Great. I was very curious to see those. In Europe, apart from RYKER market, the new RT 2020, it's a big market. So I'm stocking a lot on those items because I was not really stocking a lot on previous RT models because, you know, they are off already. And These are your turn light signals for your mirrors, to be a little bit extra visible and also to be a little bit different. So that's a great thing. They will go on the mirrors. There is 3M tape. Good. Plug and play installation. Love it. We have handlebar risers. Of course, I have put on stock or back on stock the handlebar risers. I will be not unpackaging them because you can see plenty of pictures on my shop, and so basically you will raise and move forward the handlebars. I have two options on the shop, so you can go for Lamonster or show chrome. However, because it was quite a new thing on the shop, they've been off right away, so I had to restock. And there is option to go with in case you have, I think, drag bars or factory GPS mounts, you will need extra mounting kit. So that's the reason why I have those on the shop as well. Good. Big eyes, two of them. Great, because a lot of people, when I made a video about mirrors, I was focusing on RYKER mirrors and different options. Actually, I raised a lot of attention in the Spyder community as well, and especially these big eye mirrors. This one, you cannot see through, but you can see through here. And just watch my video, like how they look on RYKERs. High quality, like really high quality, and they're pretty big and they look epic on the Spyder. Actually, I put them on Spyder as well, right? Yeah, it was RYKER and Spyder was next to it. I'm just making so many videos. So watch that video, and they're just amazing. A lot of requests, so we are back on stock. That's a great thing. And last thing, what I have here, what I have restocked before the season, it's a handlebar clamp. And I told you that I will be making video, I don't know if I have finished that sentence, that I will be making a video about all possibilities, how you can put some extra items on your handlebars or, you know, those top cuffs. So I'm preparing that video, and this was one of my very first things apart from Baharon sway bar. This was my very first upgrade that I have done to my Spyder, to the Beast. It goes on a center console, of course. It's a bar clamp, and you can put there GPS swivel, or you can have a bar mount like this, or you can just simply remove it and you can put your GoPro cameras there. I have there now the pedal box, so I just put it here. I have it stuck there because when you remove this bar mount, it's completely flat. So one of the smartest and very good looking. This is like OM, and everything that comes from Lamon directly, top quality. So I love it. So we are back on stock. Guys, let's finish with the last thing that I have promised you, and let's wrap this video. So this is the part of the video that you was probably waiting for. We will talk about just a tiny bit about these brakes. Of course, not about this. This is a working prototype number 1. And on the Beast, I have working prototype, actually almost a final product. It was version 2. And that's what we have here. It's a version 3. And I'll be not talking a lot because I'm preparing a completely separate video with all the experience and into details explaining you like how they work, what to be, you know, prepared, who can do the installation and who not. And yeah, you can get them on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop exclusively. Nobody else in the world can sell these. And do I have to tell you that there is no other solution like this, like this, like this in the world for our Spyders. And this will work on models that are 2015 and up. Let me hold this because it's just beautiful. So these will work on 2015 models and up, F3, F3S, F3T, F3 Limited, RTs, also RT 2020 models. Actually, those RTs, if you like to go faster, you will cook those brakes, the stock brakes. You will cook them on F3s as well. So these will work on 2022, we are just checking, and we will have one 2022 RT Ski to Sky around March, April, and we will do the test. If they fit, with no problem. We need to make sure. So stay tuned on that. Infos will be at the product page. So what they are, how they work, they're just sporty brakes. I have personally a problem that, you know what, let me start with this. Brake pads, don't worry about the color. I know many of you have been, because I made one video actually around March. Somebody was referring to me, Martin, green brake pads, green brake pads. And I was like, yeah, but it's just color. These are carbon metallic brake pads, not the basic rainbow. I think green, it's something like, at ABC, it's a basic color. Yeah, so don't worry about that. And you will be able to buy additional kit, like additional set of these in order to have them on the stock. Next thing, what we have here, rotors, and have a look at them. I mean, let me compare them to stock ones, okay? This is how big they are, actually. Let me do it this way. This is how big they are, okay? They are, oops, this is, in order to be fair, like this. So, and these are double layer rotors. So you have actually on every wheel, on front wheels, of course, this upgrade is for front wheels. You have two of these in front, and in between, there is a gap for ventilation. So these are double layer ventilated rotors that are bigger and bigger. It's always better. Now, with what I have a problem with, a stock rotors is that I was constantly cooking them, and once you cook them, once you overreach certain level, you just destroy them. And it cost me something like, I think it's 600 euros just to go to BRP and change them. Actually, one of those, it's not this one, this is just my recent purchase before the upgrade. One of those I have put on fire and I completely destroyed them. Like when I came to the BRP center, they were just shaking ahead like what I did. So I'll be talking more in the upcoming video about these and my experience, but so far I was not able to cook these brakes. It's just insane. Okay, and last thing, we will have these in yellow, but you know, most probably we will stick more with what I call, it's also like a dragon red. That's just beautiful. And let's compare them. These are your Brembo brakes, okay, you have on F3s. Okay, like 4 pistons, 6 pistons. Regular braking, progressive braking. Because what I mean by that, and again, I will talk more about it in the next video, you have big piston, medium size, and small. So more you push your brake pedal, they're coming out in different order, you know. These are racing brakes. I don't know if I have said it in this part of the video, but they are used for Mavericks. We just need to throw a lot of money into upgrading them for Spyders. No error codes, and it's just badass. Of course, it cannot be cheap product because we are talking here about safety. So 2,300 euros as for today. And we have just limited number of sets, so stay tuned, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. More videos about them are coming. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you like these kind of episodes. I'm really bringing you whatever I'm working with. Also some inside information. In case you have questions, write them into a comment. And remember, check on those brakes. In case you want one, just don't tell to your wife, your girlfriend or fiance. And always have fun.